Yes, I can hear you and see you. Okay, yes, thank you. Thank you so much. So, my name is Sage Roman, and I'm a founder and the CEO of Sage Forum. And I'm a developer of DaiM Divorce AI Mediation. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here, especially because I know most certified mediators and family law practitioners in Florida have full calendars and high volume seasons. So today is a 30 minutes demo. My goal is simple, actually, to show you how DaiM works, how you can start using it immediately, and how it helps you run cases more efficiently while still remaining court compliant and mediator controlled. We will cover how to create an account, how to invite both parties, how the chat works, how controls and what controls the mediator has, and what the final documents DaiM divorce AI mediation can generate. And I also share some details about our Florida launch giveaway at the end. So I see some people also coming up. We start immediately, maybe 30 seconds or 1 minute. Let's more people just come in and participate. About myself, I'm a lawyer. I'm an associate at Martin Ryan and Associate Attorneys. We work as an immigration attorneys, personal injury attorneys, and also general practice attorneys. We have some clients, like a divorce clients in Florida and in the state of New York. My company, Sage Forum, is a high-tech company incorporated in California, and we're preliminarily focusing on tech solutions in a legal field. Because I suffered from own experience to participate in many mediations in divorce proceedings, I decided to design and create this solution, DaiM Divorce AI Mediation. So, right now, okay, we have a more participants. Okay, so more participants is good. Let me adjust something, and we will start shortly. Okay. Yes. Mhm. Mhm. So, what is DaiM? Let me start with the problem DaiM is solving. In traditional family mediation, the biggest bottleneck tend to be intake delays, emotional communication, and document drafting time. Okay. Even when mediation goes well, a mediator often spends extra hours dealing with follow-up message, clarifications, and turning the outcome into a clean written agreement, especially a marital settlement agreement and parenting plan. At the same time, as we all know, Florida mediators have structured requirements, limitation on how sessions are run, and responsibility for neutrality and compliance. So DaiM was built with one mission: help mediators manage more cases with less friction while keeping mediator authority and court compliance in place. So what is DaiM? DaiM is, mentioned previously, divorce AI mediation platform that supports certified mediators and Florida family law practitioners by providing AI-guided intake for both parties, indirect communication where parties don't have to message each other directly, structured negotiation across divorce issues, mediator monitoring and intervention tools. And one big plus: automatic generation of draft final documents. The key difference is that DaiM doesn't replace the mediator. It gives the mediator a force multiplier, a way to keep control, keep neutrality, and speed up workflow. So, all right, now we're going to walk through the first step. You will be watching live how we can follow, how we create the session and keep it simple and clear. So let me right now just share with you video recording what we did while testing our platform. It takes around a few seconds to run, and you will see how this mediation created, how it's how the parties are invited into participation, and what's a dashboard of a mediator, and what the final documents our system could generate, and what the quality of their documents. So right now, let me share with you that one. Yes, share. Okay, right now you see there is a landing page of a mediator of our website actually. So when you start, you need to push start the case. You can see dashboard. There is few cases already, or right now we start from the scratch. You need just start your account, put your email, for example, and we don't collect any emails. We don't keep that. Or passwords. We just use that for as a credentials, and everything is going through your individual OTP number, which sent to your email. You confirmed your personality, and then you are in. So when you create your account, you need to push I'm a professional mediator, because without that, it could be account of a regular couple as a couple process. If you use I'm professional mediator, you just agree with our terms and conditions, privacy policy, and let me go forward. Yeah, you need to agree with our terms and conditions. It's pretty clear, no sneaky sentences, etc. So after that, you create your account. When you create your account, you get an email with the verification code. That numbers you need to put in, and then logging and verifying and complete. Okay, so when you're this is your dashboard. The subscription inactive means you need to provide your credit card, but later I mentioned you 25 days free trial we provide to any new client, any new mediator. Means for the first 25 days, we don't charge you anything. When you just finish with your credentials, credit card, so you see you could create a case. This is your dashboard. You send the invitation. Let me double check. Yes, that one, it's a part when you're little bit back. Yes, that part when you add emails of your spouses A and spouses B, people who want to or invited to participate in this mediation session. After putting their emails, you push like create an invite, and they automatically receive the invitation link on their emails. So after that, you'll see your dashboard where status of the participants pending invite. It means party doesn't open the email yet, but it will. So also you see a last active date of last actions. status of the entire case. It could be waiting, it could be in progress, or it could be completed. And there is action. I'll address later what does it mean. So then, uh, right now, it's your interface window. You could see DaiM, and there is a question to the party. You could see one party, it's a spouse A, green means is in the chat, and spouse B, it's gray means out of the chat. Your status is live, and you see here it's a interface window where you can put your input to one party or broadcast simultaneously to both parties. That question, as I previously mentioned, it's a question from DaiM, from AI to the party, green party spouse A, who is involving in a conversation with DaiM. So you could see that another party right now is green. It means another party also participated in the conversation. How this works? Party cannot speak simultaneously to DaiM, to AI. It's a turn by turn. Spouse A answering the question, full name, John Doe. DaiM checking this answer and provide another question. Same time, spouse B is mute and it's limited in communication. Spouse B can also text it you directly and receive information from you. Right now, certified mediator means you decided to send a text message to party A, spouse A, with instruction how to answer. That message is not checked by AI. Your direct communication with the parties is not checked by AI at all, and it provides you control over the conversation. Your suggestions, your guidance is not preventing DaiM from anything, but it will helpful to the party how to behave, how to communicate in the system. You could see the answers, what other party provide, and then you could see how fast DaiM actually checking all information and going through workflow. It's well-organized workflow with the communication through communication with with the party. So now you could see, for example, you wanna instruct another party that spouse should stay calm and waiting, and you just send direct message to another party. Please stay, be patient, waiting for the answer from your adversarial party. So also that text message is not checked by DaiM. It's your direct communication, and another party could answer directly to you. Okay, I will thank you. So then, after the whole preliminary questions about case number, these questions, everything is sent by DaiM, not by you. So what's your role? Just observe. Passively, actively, you directly could communicate with parties, but all questions, workflow, our system, our AI is learned and know how to do that. So you could see there is answers, case number, etc. Okay. There is another right now another issue I want to address. You could see that DaiM asked the party what the case number. The party doesn't know case number. The party asks you, what's my case number? You provided the case number. The party answered to DaiM with the wrong case number. It's misspelling FK, okay? But DaiM they will ask few times same question. Are you sure? Means the party has the opportunity to correct previous answer, and everything is going like with in communication between two human beings. So after that, we can go to this one. It's a summary of a preliminary question. What information DaiM requests from the party at the first stage, first model. It's a main information: name, addresses, emails, whether or not there is a kids, minors under 21 years old, etc., etc. Then model is a that model, I guess. Yes, it's about marital assets, how to distribute that marital assets. For example, the DaiM ask the party A, what about marital assets? Do you have a real estate? Do you have a vehicles? Do you have a bank accounts, jewelry, anything, intellectual property also? And for example, spouse one just was misconfused, like whether or not I need to put car as a gift from my father. Should I state this as property? That question addressed from the party to you, okay, to the mediator. You answer, thank you for your question. Under Florida law is a marital property, your explanation, but because you are not allowed to give a legal advice, you're a mediator, you should be neutral. You suggest the party to consult with an attorney. It's a direct communication, and that communication is not checked by DaiM, but it will prevent any misunderstanding, any inconsistencies in work, etc., etc. So after that, when model complete, for example, they decided how to distribute their joint bank account, then they go into another model. It's a debt division. And also same questions to party A, then to party B. And they will ask their position, their reasons. If they don't stipulate anything, they will ask them what's the reason of that, to explain your position, etc., etc. And of course, we cannot force the party to stipulate, but we need to help them to do that in a fair manner and neutral manner. And if though, for example, after our efforts, these parties don't stipulate something, so it will be reflected into final draft marital settlement agreement. Don't be afraid if party doesn't stipulate. I'm sure you experience that every day in any mediation session, that sometimes people are not communicated or not ready to do something. Okay, but you'll get some progress, at least you'll get some clauses or issues which is stipulated already through this day. So, and after each model discussed, addressed, stipulated or not, at the end you will get right now, yes, you will get draft, and you will see right now you'll get an invitation notice through email. You'll get a final agreement. Okay, it's a draft. In this section you will see left side, it's a logs of how people communicate with each other, what their answers. Maybe you miss something, maybe you answer the phone during this work, and of course you could miss something. On the right side, it's a draft of marital settlement agreement. You need to check what's on the left side and what's on the right side. There is no inconsistency, everything accurate, there is no contradictions, and you could see how it's going. So it means you have a all record of their communication, and then you also have, it's a redactor. You can redact anything what you see. Maybe you'll just notice some inconsistency, or DaiM doesn't understand correctly that 70% of bank account to A and 30 to B, not vice versa. So you could manually just make a correction to prove that everything is accurate and there is no inconsistencies. So same situation with the parenting plan. After MSA and parenting plan is observed and checked and corrected by you, so you could push approved and sent. So after that, approved and sent, it means your final draft is ready. Yeah, you could see how Mediator just made a correction to put child support. Is ready to sign by the parties through DocuSign. Okay, they'll receive a notice via email instantly, and that document is ready to sign. So it was a technical aspect, how it's working, what you can do actually, how to invite the persons, how to observe, control their communication, and how to work with the final documents upon completion of that mediation session. Again, you have a control, you have a neutrality, and you have the ability to intervene properly. So with the DaiM, you can monitor negotiations in real time, intervene properly with one party, broadcast guidance to both parties to ensure the conversation stays productive. Okay, so at the end, you have a draft of marital settlement agreement and draft of parenting plan. These documents are created based on one party's intake plus negotiation terms. The documents are draft, and you could stay in control. You could review agreement, edit terms, and confirm everything is accurate before parties sign. So instead of spending hours formatting and rewriting, you start with the clean structure draft. And once the mediator approves the final versions, it's ready for signature workflow. So before our question and answer, I want to highlight something we are doing specifically for Florida. Right now, we're currently running a Florida launch giveaway. The purpose is to reward certified mediators and Florida family practitioners to adopt DaiM and help us grow statewide. Here is a simple summary. As I mentioned previously, we provided 25 days free trial. During that 25-day free trial, to qualify, you complete onboarding by doing one of them. Attend a short Zoom introduction right now, or watch this introduction later on YouTube. Then you must complete at least 1 month paid after the trial to remain eligible. Entries based on subscription type, monthly payment 1 entry, annual subscription 5 entries, existing subscriber renewal 1 entry, and bonus entry. If you attended a demo webinar right now, you get a +1 entry. Final award will be conducted mid-March 2026 in Miami in few months, and date will be announced. And yes, there are the premium prizes involved, including travel-based awards and 3 months of DaiM. If you want full written terms, I can email right now after this call. So if you're Florida mediators or family practitioners, you want to try DaiM, okay? Your next step is simple. Go to godaim.co. It's our website. Create your account, start the free 25-day trial, and schedule onboarding with me if you want a guide that's set up. I don't know. If you would like a private Zoom walkthrough for your practice, email us at info@sageforumdev.com. I would love to open it up for questions. Now you can unmute or type your questions in the chat. I will answer them one by one. So, while questions come up, I'll mention a common use case I see. Many mediators use DaiM in two ways. Number one, to run a complete mediation workflow from intake to final documents. And number two, to handle pre-mediation negotiation where the parties resolve most issues before a full live session and the mediator only spends time on the remaining disputes. So even you don't want to replace your current workflow, DaiM can still act like an efficiency layer in front of it. Also, I would like to address one restrictions for certified mediator. As you may know, in the state of Florida, you cannot provide an opening statement simultaneously to multiple cases, okay? To multiple couples. It means you could reserve 15 minutes for each couple for an hour. Means 1 hour, 4 couples. First 15 minutes, you address your opening statement, then send the couples to DaiM. During their communication in the DaiM, you could start opening statement to another couple and another couple, and you could see during the first hour, you can get 4 couples. It will reduce your working hours, and during a day, you can get as much as possible mediation session. You are not limited only by one, but honestly, I know how it goes right now. It's very promising and high promising if you get a one mediation session per day with all issues stipulated. But yeah, our program is not limited by time. They can communicate hours, days, weeks, months even, until they discuss all modules and obtain a final draft of documents, marital settlement agreement, and parenting plan. So where is the personal data saved? Okay, good question. First of all, we don't collect passwords. We don't collect social security number. We collect names. We collect number of cases, and also under our terms and agreements, we provide that information to OpenAI because we use their model, and we provide this information to DocuSign for final agreements to sign up. All information of that information keeps saved by them on their servers, and we have our own server in the United States, not a broad company. So we have all compliance with privacy and all information. We have some safeguards, preventions against any leaked information, etc. But by the way, who is responsible? We and our third parties, DocuSign and OpenAI. Okay, so also I would like to mention that today, previously 2 hours ago, I spoke with Mr. Stephen Hall. It's OSCA, Office of State Court Administration. Also, I presented this information to him, and he valued our platform, and we also now start our promotion to be added into the course at the circuits level, into the course as a ADR, alternative dispute resolution platform. So, but yes, now you have some features such as to get a prize rewards if you participate at early stage with us. And like I mentioned you previously, there is three prizes: $3,000 travel check and 6 months of free DaiM, $1,000 travel check with the 3 months of DaiM, and 500 travel check with the 2 months free of DaiM. So just I'm glad to communicate with everyone to help you. Maybe you need to get more time or you need to get more information. I'm available to answer and I'm glad to do that. You could email me info at sageforumdev.com, info at sageforumdev.com. Let me type forumdev.com, that email. Thank you. And I wish you good luck and have a good weekend and hope to hear from you, from everyone, just feedback upon our product, what we are offering right now in Florida. Thank you. And if you don't have any further question, just